Today I'm going to teach you how to find your public and private Klaviyo API keys. These keys are essential if you're integrating Klaviyo with other platforms or setting up custom workflows, so understanding where to locate them is crucial. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's start by heading over to klaviyo.com in your browser. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the account where you have administrative access, as API keys are typically only visible to users with proper permissions. After logging in, look over to the left side of your dashboard. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you into the main settings area where you can manage various aspects of your Klaviyo account. Now that you're in the settings, focus on the left sidebar again. You'll see several options listed there. Click on API keys. This section is specifically designed for managing all your API credentials, both public and private. Once you're in the API keys section, you'll immediately see your public API key displayed. This key is automatically generated for your account and is used for client-side integrations. You can copy it directly from here whenever you need it for your projects. Now scroll down a bit and you'll notice another section labeled Private API Keys. Unlike the public key, private keys are not automatically created, which gives you more control over access and security. To create one, click on Create Private API Key. A dialog box will appear asking you to configure your new key. First, you'll need to give your private API key a name. Choose something descriptive so you can easily identify its purpose later, especially if you plan to create multiple keys for different integrations or team members. Next, you'll see access level options. Here you can choose between custom key, read-only key, or full access key. Each option determines what level of permissions this key will have within your account. For this example, let's choose read-only key, which is a safer option if you only need to retrieve data without making changes. Once you've made your selection, click Create in the upper right corner. After clicking Create, Klaviyo will generate and display your new private API key. This is the only time you'll see the full key, so make sure to copy it and store it securely. If you lose it, you'll need to generate a new one. And that's it. You've successfully located your public API key and created a private API key in Klaviyo. These keys will now allow you to connect Klaviyo with other tools and automate your marketing workflows. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.